Happy Earth Day, boys and girls. I wanted to go ahead and share with you what Earth Day is, just a really short summary of it. So, Earth Day is celebrated yearly, so that means every year on the same date, April 22nd. And it has been celebrated since 1970. Um, on Earth Day, the main aim is actually to raise awareness on the negative impact our actions as mankind have on our environment and Earth as a whole. So basically, remember when we talked about human impact, deforestation, pollution, extinction? So Earth Day is a day for people to talk about these things, to say, hey, you need to learn to recycle, you need to learn to reuse things in order to avoid having to cut down more trees. So for deforestation to happen, because what happens when deforestation takes place? Well, we are actually getting rid of habitats, right? So who lives in trees? Who lives near the ponds? If we pollute, so if we're driving down the highway and just litter, you might be damaging a nest if it falls on top of a tree. So things like that, that's what this day is dedicated for. So I just kind of wanted to say, happy Earth Day, and it happens every year. If you can do something at home to honor this day, I would say try to get stuff that you have laying around and make something reusable. Like what would you use it for? So for example, remember when we were trying to start a little garden in class, I had students just bring the toilet paper rolls, and we actually use those as little boxes in order to start planting our seeds in there, and then soon enough we had seedlings. So is there something around your home that you could reuse to make a new something? Think about that and make sure that you understand that we do get water, air, shelter, and everything from Earth. So it is important that we as scientists think and actually push it to others, or at least let them know, like, hey, your actions have a big impact on Earth. So happy Earth Day, guys.